Hello out there in YouTube land. My name is Spicita Jackson, and we're going live here. This week, we filed tax deadlines. Well, we filed taxes for S corporations and partnerships. But we are now heading towards the next tax deadline, which is April 18th. Today is March 18th. April 18th is the next tax deadline, which is Tuesday, April 18th. All right, that's about 30 days away from today. While the March 15th tax deadline was for everyone, right? Was not for everyone. I'm sorry. While the March 15th deadline was not for everyone, the April 15th deadline is for everyone. And today I want to hit real quick and give you guys some things that you must do for this coming deadline, April 18th. Like I said, this deadline is for everyone. All right, so let's discuss this upcoming tax deadline or the upcoming tax deadlines that are not just the April 18th deadline. So, like I said, the April 18th deadline is coming for individuals and business owners. We're going to talk about that in detail. But first, let me hit real quickly these top deadlines. March 31st. For those business owners that issued 1099s, if you did not get all your 1099s out, make sure that you get them out by March 31st so that you don't incur penalties. Okay, the penalties have already started because the returns or the forms were due out to your contractors by January 31st. But for those of you who didn't get them out, you have until March 31st again, another chance, another deadline to hit, which is March 31st. Get those 1099s out. Now we have April 18th, which I told you is the 1120, Form 1040, 1041. These tax returns are due, right? And I hate to talk gibberish, right? These tax returns are due for people, W-2 wages, small business owners, S corporations, I'm sorry, not the tax form. The tax form is due for C corporations. The taxes are due on April 18th. Now, April 18th, all tax payments, the IRS wants their money for all tax payments are due. Whether you are a 1120S or a LLC or a C corporation, because technically, remember, I tell you guys this all the time, pass-through entities, LLCs, S corporations do not file income taxes, right? That tax is passed to the personal tax form and to be paid on the business owner's various personal taxes. Okay, so this is the situation. Everybody who owes taxes, individuals and businesses, those tax payments are due on, drum roll, April 18th. Okay, so if you need help and you're not ready if you're not ready to pay, then you might want to set up an installment agreement. But what I have for you today is the payment is due. There's no extension on paying the taxes, but there is an extension of time if you actually need more time to prepare your tax return. So you can file a tax extension on Form 1040, which is your personal taxes, or for 1120, which is C corporation taxes, right? Those tax forms are due, but you can extend the time 6 months until October so that you can give yourself more time. Now, what you should be doing is filing a tax extension, okay, and getting an income tax analysis from your accountant if you're not ready to file on April 18th, okay? And we can help you by going to our site, which you'll see right here on the screen right there. Go to www.accountantthisway.com and we can help you For $200, we will file your personal tax extension or your 1120 tax extension and give you that income tax analysis that you need. Just go ahead, get the process started at www.accountantthisway.com. We would love to help. All right, so back onto this April 18th deadline, right? Like I said, it is for everyone. All right, and I want to touch on, give you guys some things that you must do, okay? I have it here on the screen. Individuals, if you are an individual, high wage earner, low wage earner, you're a United States citizen, and you earn income in 2021, the tax payment is due, the tax return is due. You're filing the tax return to let the IRS know how much you actually made for that year and pay your percentage of taxes due. Many of you and many of us have already paid our taxes because we made estimated taxes, or your employer actually withheld the taxes from your paycheck and submitted it over to the IRS, right? So in this regard, number one, individuals, you must file your income tax return on time or suffer penalties. Number two, you must pay your 2021 income tax due on time or suffer penalties. We can help with number one. Like I said, you can get an extension of time to file the actual tax return. All right, for business owners, if you are a LLC Schedule C, that Schedule C is going to go in with that 1040. If you're not ready to file your business income taxes yet, and you're not ready to put that Schedule C together, what you should do is file an extension and get an income tax analysis. So business owners who are incorporated, not yet incorporated, and designated as C-Corporations, you must pay all your income taxes due. Okay, they're due on April 18th based on your net income or your bottom line earnings from 2021. If tax payment is not made, you will pay interest and penalties. Unfortunately, make sure that you get this stuff in by April 18th, 2022. All right. If you fear that you may owe, right, the number one thing to do to avoid tax and financial problems is get a tax extension and an estimated income tax analysis from your accountant. Like I said, we can help. Go to www.accountantthisway.com. All right, so many people waste money each year on taxes and penalties. And I want to help you guys before I log off. 3 reasons, right, why so many people waste money each year on tax penalties and interest. Number one, missed tax deadlines, right? I've kind of driven this home this time. Missed tax deadlines. You don't want to miss your tax deadlines. Number two, incomplete financial reporting, okay? Because bad numbers or bad financial numbers equals bad tax returns. So bad numbers equal bad tax returns. So you want to, number two, make sure that you've included all of your tax deductions on your tax return. And the IRS will make sure that you've included all of your income. So include all your income, all your tax deductions, so you can have good numbers. And number three, not having an accounting advisor. Now, a lot of you may know a lot, and even if you went to school for accounting, you may know a lot about getting your taxes done. But if you're doing your own taxes, but you're not doing the taxes of hundreds of people like we're doing and keeping up with the tax laws, it's good to advise with an accountant, even if it's just for a consult. We would love to work with you. Just go to our website, www.xfinancialcpa.com. All right, so this is what I got, right? Because I don't want you guys to be out here without an accountant, right? And I don't want you to be missing tax deductions. One of my missions in life is to help 1,000 business owners pocket more profit. And what I've done is I have created the Pocket More Profit Bootcamp. And our next bootcamp is coming up soon this month, which is March 28th. All right. So join the next Pocket More Profit Bootcamp. So don't let this be you overpaying in taxes, missing deadlines, making penalties. You don't want that to be you. join the Pocket More Profit Boot Camp that's coming up on March 28th. All right? All right. So this is me going live here on my YouTube channel. If you caught this live, let me know. If you catch it on replay, hit replay. Make sure that you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button if you like this kind of content. If you want to catch your replay for this or catch more content like this, you can go to our website, xfinancialtpa.com, right? Who am I? My name is Spicita Jackson. I am the founder and owner of X Financial Inc. We do business in the marketplace as taxplus365.com. And what we do is we help business owners and high wage earners pocket more profit so that they can reinvest it back in their own business. You can reach your limitless life. Everybody wants to reach their limitless life, right? That's what I have for you guys today. Don't forget to follow me on my blog. You can go to xfinancialcpa.com, and that's what I have for y'all. Don't miss the tax deadline, okay? Don't be overpaying in penalties. And if you need an accountant, I'd love to be your accountant. Join me and my firm. We like to say that we are the accountants that you love. Until next time, don't forget to move your profit in the right direction. And that's what's up. Bye, y'all.